the BMW Museum in Munich. Should you visit it? Let's find out, let's head in and let's look at it. So we have just exited the BMW Welt. I will say, well, I hold my judgment. First of all, who is this museum for? Well, it's of course for the BMW fanboys. And they of course need to see this because it is such a fandom temple. But it is also for the car enthusiast, the one with a technological interest, because they also show the development. Basically, they show how the brand has developed, how the car has developed, how the technology has developed from the time when, well, they was founded throughout the different wars. They might have done some big leaps in technology about there and up to modern technology. So it is all about how it all has developed throughout time. And you can see some classical cars in there. And for the price of, well, we purchased a family ticket for 24 euros, which is a little bit of a discount. Normally it would have been 29 for 2 adults and a kid. And you can take up to 2 kids along under the age of 18. So there's a bit to be saved there. But basically, it is cars and how they have developed, and here's a little snapshot from it while I head in to the next showroom, because they have one big showroom in here, and I will talk to you after that. Yeah, so basically it's a big showroom and they have their bikes and their cars over here, and they're actually available for purchase from over here. And some of them even have the license plate on it. So if you are thinking of purchasing one, why not purchase it directly at their main office? And another little thing while you're over here, you might want to think about eating, because, well, this restaurant, there's even fine dining in this BMW Welt. It's right next to the museum, so it is fairly, well, easy to get to. There's even a bridge directly over here, so why not? It is certainly worth looking into. And they even got Rolls Royces down there. I'm going to look closer at those in a moment, because I like to see them up close. And while we are finishing up this review, I would say you should definitely go visit the BMW Welt and the BMW Museum, both the dealership over here and the museum over there. And if you want something else interesting to look at while you're in Germany, then check out my video right up here. Otherwise, you may have a great day, and I will give the BMW Museum this smiley.